Hello guys, you are watching CPA Hacks. Before entering into this video, please subscribe my channel and like my videos and share this videos who are interested in CPA marketing and affiliate marketing. So this video is a free webinar for CPA marketing students. Many people have asked me for a free webinar and about our CPA marketing workshop courses things. So about the workshop and the course details, everything I'm not going to say you now. Okay, I'm going to explain you in the end of the video. Okay, so now we'll go to the content and I'll teach you what are the things you should focus on it as a beginner, way to start, how to start, and what are the things you should avoid. Everything I'm going to explain you in this video. Okay, so mostly we are not going to see any practical works in this video, just the main things and the main concept of CPA marketing, the basic success for a CPA marketing, everything I'm going to explain you now. So without wasting any time, let's move on to the video. So as a beginner, what are the things you should focus on? It means actually this is a CPA marketing webinar means it's nothing but from scratch to end, everything we want to tell you about the CPA marketing. Okay, so the first question, as a beginner you will have that, can we earn in CPA marketing? So the answer is yes, it's definitely yes. So the thing should be done in a proper way. That's the only thing you want to focus in CPA marketing. It's not about we are beginners or expert or intermediates. Okay, it's all about your work and your time and your dedication towards the work. Okay, so this is the main thing you want to focus on it. So it's a really a best place to earn as a beginner. Okay, so as a beginner, many people are earning more than $6K, $7K in CPA marketing. Okay, so it's a easy thing to earn in CPA marketing. Okay, so the next thing we are going to see what are the things you should focus as a beginner. Okay, so first thing, you know where to collect a CPA link and a way to join, everything you know. There are many CPA marketing platform called as CPA Grip, CPALEAD, Max Bounty. Like this, many websites are available. Okay, so you can join in a trusted website. Okay, so as of me, you can join in CPA Grip, CPALEAD, and Max Bounty. This three is amazing website. Okay, they are paying you instantly. Okay, so it's a best website. If you have a minimum of $50, you can withdraw it to your bank account. So this three websites is a trusted source, you can join there. Okay, so things you should focus, first thing is providing valuable things. Okay, so just for your you are looking as a beginner, you are doing a big mistake. What does that means? You are just focusing on your side, you are not focusing on your customer side. You're going to get paid and you are getting money, it's yeah, well and good, but what your customers are getting, this is the main thing. Okay, without any value, they are not going to do any work for you. So first you have to give a proper valuable, and the valuable should be free. Okay, you should give a perfect free valuable to your customers, then automatically they will give you the things which you want. Okay, so this is the main thing. And the content should be customer friendly. Content should be customer friendly is nothing but the language should be easily, any person can easily understand the language. It may mostly it will be in English only, so the English should be short and sweet, and it should be easy to customers. Okay, they should read it and write it easily, so the English should be like that. Okay, it should not be more complicated. Okay, like hard grammatical works, these things won't work perfectly. Okay, so just always focus on a simple friendly content with proper English. Okay, so this will be best for you. Okay, then the third thing is focus of target audience traffic. Okay, focusing on targeted audience traffic. Okay, so this is the main thing. Okay, already we have uploaded many videos about niche. Okay, so one more time I'm going to explain you about. Okay, so if you're picking up a dog niche related CPA marketing link, okay, the CPA marketing link will be email submission like this. Okay, email submission or a pin submission like this, the link will be there. But my personal recommendation is to always take email submission or Yeah, email submission, CPA link will be best, so easily people can do it. Okay, always pick the email submission link. And your targeted audience, you are providing a content regarding dog niche or health niche. This kind of traffic audience means you should get only the traffic from the selected audience. For an example, you are picking a content for your CPA link called as dog niche, means your audience and your traffic should be related to only dog niche. So this is the main thing. So you are creating a content regarding dog niche and you are getting the traffic regarding health niche, means definitely this won't lead you to success. This will be always a failure method. So always focus on the targeted audience with perfect content. Okay, so this is the things to do. Okay, then the other thing is things to avoid. Okay, so this is the main thing, please focus here. Okay, so spending more money as a beginner. Okay, just now you have came to this field. Okay, then you are spending more money on ads and more money on promotions. This will a little bit difficult thing in CPA marketing. First you should know everything in CPA marketing. You have to get each and every small tricks and tips, everything first you have to learn in CPA marketing, then only you should start investing. Okay, as a beginner, my personal advice is to always go with the free traffic. So always go with the free things. Okay, don't spend any money in beginning, just earn some $500 to $600, then you can go for the paid things. Okay, so this is the first mistake you are doing, so please avoid this. As a beginner, please go for free tricks. Then spamming the CPA marketing. What spamming is? Spamming is nothing but you are picking a CPA link for a USA country. Okay, your CPA link is USA country's task. You are using your USA VPN and or else you are telling a US person to complete the task. This is the first thing which will be leads to failure in CPA marketing. Always focus on organic ways and paid traffic source. Don't spam anything in CPA marketing. Like just you are doing the CPA marketing task by yourself or telling your friends to do it. This is 100% spamming method. Definitely CPA marketing platform will easily identify these things. So please don't spam any CPA marketing links by any unwanted illegal things. Okay, so please always go with organic things and paid things. Okay, so this will be easy for you. And invalid traffic, as I already said, you are getting a dog niche content and you are getting the health niche traffic, means definitely you won't earn anything. Okay, so always be focused on selected audience traffic, and your traffic should be 100% open source traffic. Okay, which means invalid traffic, another way we can say it as traffic bot or some Facebook groups, unwanted Facebook groups. So this all things will be in invalid traffic. So please avoid this and start your CPA marketing journey. So this is the basic 3 things you have to focus on it. Okay, so at last but not least, let me explain you about our workshop. Okay, so this is a workshop for our paid students. Okay, so CPA marketing workshop this is. Okay, if you want this link, means I'll give in the description, you can watch it there. Okay, so we are revealing the 5 figures of income empire with completely free traffic. Okay, you don't want to pay anything and you don't want to spend any money for the traffic. For each and everything we are going to teach for absolutely a free traffic. Okay, you don't want to spend any money in this works. Okay, so what are the things you are going to get here, means step-by-step trainings, no other investment needed, bonus classes, lifetime access, 30 special methods, group live sessions, lifetime support, work with any devices, and you can work worldwide. This is not just for Nigerian people, Indian people, USA people. Okay, you can use this method for a worldwide things and you can get the results instantly. Okay, not in a delay, you can get the results instantly. So this is the main things, and you can see our small testimonials. Okay, for a proof, for a course proof, we have added this testimonials. This is our students results which we have got, and we have asked them to send the details and they have sent. So this is a small earning proofs of it. Okay, so here the main things are available. Here we have added our course modules. In the CPA marketing you will get this things, and in affiliate marketing you will get this modules, and Google AdSense and digital marketing modules, and Google threshold method. Google threshold method is a perfect method for beginners. You don't want to spend any money on Google ads, just a $350 free credits you will get in that Google threshold. Okay, so how to get access? Okay, for the first 50 members, okay, after watching this video, for the first 50 members we are giving a free bonuses. This is not a paid thing, this is for absolutely free. Okay, so first bonus is competitor analysis tool. Okay, you know what is a competitor analyzing tool? It's worth is $360, but we are going to give you for absolutely free, so you can analyze your competitors things with free with our tools. Okay, so second thing is WordPress premium tools like pre-made templates, SEO pro tools, Elementor kit, etc. This value is $625, and this also we are going to give you for absolutely free. So this is a free bonus too. You can get access for us from us. Okay, this is all. This also we are giving you for free. And the bonus 3 is Google threshold method. Okay, as I already said, you are going to get our Google threshold method worth of $350 for absolutely free. Okay, you don't want to get any worried about it. This all things you don't want to pay anything, just this is free. Okay, so then the next thing, this total 3 bonuses price is $810, but you don't want to pay any single dollar for this after joining our community. Okay, so this is our course price. 810 is our course price, but you don't want to pay for it. This course price is just $60. Okay, in the $60 you will get this free bonuses, and building your empire, 7 figures of income, future webinars, case study, follow all along campaigns, everything we are going to give you for absolutely free. And one more thing, please don't skip it. You don't want to pay this $60 also. You have a separate offer. You don't want to pay even the $60. We are giving you another offer also. If you want to know what is that offer means, please you can click this inquiry button, and directly you can redirect to our Instagram page. Just ask me personally how and what is that offer. I'll explain you about that offer, so you can, if you are interested, you can join in our private session. We will give you our 100% support from us, and weekly live classes are available, so you should attend the weekly live class also. So it will be just 30 to 45 minutes live class only. Okay, so if you want, you can join, and I'll give the link in the description if you want to get our private session things. And if you want our mentorship means, please ask me in Instagram or Telegram. I will give the links in the description, so you can text me there. I'll explain you each and everything from there. Okay, so this is for today, and from today continually 5 days we are going to upload the videos in YouTube, so please watch it fully. We are giving many valuable things for free in YouTube also, so please watch it carefully, and please subscribe our channel and like my videos and share these videos to your friends and families. Okay, so let me see you in the another video. Until then, it's bye from CPA Hacks. Bye bye.